everybody, welcome back to Middle Show. I'm in lovely Washington Square Park. It is a widely known fact that women cannot make sound effects with their mouths. And we're going to prove that fact right now. Let's go. Look, we're in a fountain. Let's ask some people around here. I think that women cannot make sound effects. What do you think about that?
I think we can. Roar!
Own it! You do a lion.
No. Roar!
That was almost halfway not terrible. Machine gun.
That's not my repertoire. Do a machine gun.
It sounds like a broken typewriter. Easily the best machine gun we've heard today. Oh my god. That is the worst piece of garbage I've ever heard. Poof? Machine gun, not a fairy disappearing. A laser gun.
No.
Laser gun? I've never heard of laser gun.
You know, like the flashes they use in trash compactor? The walls are closing in.
I don't know what a laser gun sounds like.
There's Han Solo and Luke Skywalker, they're stuck in the trash and like that little snake running around. And you hear him go, I already tried that! You know, it's like really bad. You remember that?
Oh yeah, totally.
Do your ears work? You do like a couple lasers. Like, yeah. See what I'm saying? That sounds like someone scooping ice cream.
I can't do it.
True. You do a helicopter?
No. Maybe you're just not choosing feminine sound effects.
How about the sound effect of giving birth?
Fuck you.
Women can't do sound effects. We're about to have a beatbox battle. Ready? What was that? Fresh. Landmines. Mines! I can't see! These guys can do sound effects of not wearing shirts. Can you do a elephant?
Elephants don't make sound.
What?
You can do like a lamp.
You say a lamp? But do a sheep.
Whoa,
Whoa, that was kind
Wait a minute.
of. Wait a second.
Something, I don't know what.
Try that again. That might be the real deal.